Oh, it smells so good in this kitchen. Oh, really good. Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today, I'm gonna prepare for you some homemade turkey sausages. At first, I'm gonna pick some tomatoes from my garden. They're so sweet and delicious. Now, this bush here, I never have to plant it. It comes up every year here in Texas. So I don't have to worry about tomatoes plants. This is going to be homemade hot breakfast sausages that I'm making this morning. I have 1 pound of turkey meat, and let me give you the ingredients that I have on the plate here. I hope you can see that. Let me look at the camera to make sure that you can see everything. Okay, I need to push it in a little bit. Okay, I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of fresh sage. If you don't have fresh sage, you can use dry sage. 1 teaspoon of thyme, that's dry thyme. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. A half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of dried fennel seeds. And I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar is gonna be added. That's why you see this here, okay? All right. And I have 1 tablespoon of sugar right here, okay? So let me get the apple cider vinegar ready. And I'm gonna just use this little cup here. I'm gonna just add 1/4 cup. Okay. And I'm gonna pour it over the meat. Okay. Then I'm gonna mix all the other ingredients in the meat. See if I can mix it up a little bit better here. Okay. And I'm gonna massage it in the meat. This is ground turkey meat. If you like chicken, you can make this homemade hot sausage with chicken. You can do it pork, beef, whatever you like to eat. And if you don't like spicy food, just leave out the pepper flakes. Okay, let me get a skillet ready over here so I can cook it and taste it. If you let this sit for like a couple days before you cook it, it's gonna be better than when you just cook it on the same day that you mix it up. You wanna give it time to marinate the meat, okay? All right, let me get the skillet over here going. I'm gonna just cook just a small piece just to see how it tastes, okay? That way you can adjust the salt or whatever in the meat when you cook just a little small piece like this. That's what it looks like, and it's hot. That's very good. Very good. Let's form the rest of the sausages. That's real good. Nice balance of heat. Now you write this recipe down and try it. And let me know how you like it, okay? You can adjust the seasoning just the way you like it. Make your own sausage at home. I have other sausage recipes on my YouTube channel, so you know, look up some of those, goes right ahead. The sausages are easy to make. And one thing I can say, when you make it yourself, you can make it the way you want to, based on your taste buds. And see, you just form a little patty like that, and you're all set. Take any time to cook them. They cook really fast. Really fast. Okay, we're going to pick some out. And that way I'm going to freeze these until I get ready to use them. More in the pan. And don't those look just as good as Bob Evans sausages? Don't take too much to form them. So guys, I want to mention to you that I'm coming out with my cookbook in probably another week. The cookbook is going to be all about cakes, Southern cakes. So look out for it. It's coming. Okay, that's the last three. So we got 5 in the plate over there. And we have 3 in the pan. So that makes about 8 sausages. So, you know, you can get 2 pounds of turkey meat and double that, you know, recipe. So that would be good for a larger family, okay? Oh, it smells so good in this kitchen. Oh, really good. Look at that. Look at those homemade sausages. They smell delicious and they are very delicious. So you have to try them. You have to try this recipe. After you try this recipe, you'll probably stop buying the sausage that's already made, because this is a cheaper route if you're trying to save money. You know how expensive things are getting in the stores. So you want to cut back your budget a little bit? Do this. It doesn't take that much time to do this, you know, versus running to the store, burning gas to pick up some sausages. So try this the next time, okay? All right. Thanks so much for watching, and share this video and subscribe, okay? All right. Bye-bye.